The diaphragm replacement procedure on the back pressure valve and the pressure relief valve is extremely simple. It can be done either while the dice is installed or with the dice removed for maintenance. If the dice is installed on a dosing system, make sure there is no pressure or residual chemical inside the dice unit before proceeding with maintenance. Always wear the required personal protective equipment. Refer to the dice DS and DM installation, operation, and maintenance manual for more information. In this video, we'll be replacing a Viton diaphragm on a back pressure valve. Start by removing the valve adjustment screw completely. Unscrew the 4 mounting bolts. Remove the valve body with its 4 mounting screws. Then remove the spring and seat assembly and the old diaphragm from the dice block. Always clean and dry the diaphragm sealing surface on the dice block before installing the new diaphragm. Once it's done, install the new diaphragm and reinstall the spring and seat assembly. Then reinstall the valve body with the 4 mounting screws. Start by tightening the 4 mounting screws and torque to 25 pound-inches. Then, apply the final torque of 35 pound-inches on the mounting screws. Reinstall the adjustment screw. Proceed with the dice setup and adjustment.